facing with the daunting task of being denied access to higher education. The Senate Judiciary Committee today voted along party lines to pass a ban of access to higher education to all Georgia public colleges and universities that would deny access to undocumented students. We are concerned particularly with suicides, as Mr. Joaquin Luna took his life in Mission, Texas. We don't want any of that to happen. What message do you send to these students with regards to what happened today and what they need to do in order to make sure that this doesn't happen?
I would say to the student and to all of the young people, not to give up, not to give in, not to give out. Continue to speak up, speak out, and find a way to make some noise, to get in the way, I will call it. Another generation of young people, another generation of students spoke up, and we created a mass movement, and we all should find a way to assist young people. I think it's wrong. I think it's a shame and a disgrace for the state of Georgia to move down that road. It's not right, it's not fair, and it's not just. And we all have to do something about it. Whatever I can do to use my voice, maybe meet with some of the young people and become part of an effort to organize and make some trouble, good trouble, make some noise. I think we have to educate and sensitize the larger population in the state and around the nation, really. People are too quiet on this issue. In my native state of Alabama, where I'm going to be the first weekend in March, and I take a group of members and lay people to Birmingham, to Montgomery, and to Selma. Immigration is going to be one of the big issues on the agenda. As a matter of fact, we're going to have a meeting with the governor of Alabama.
Thank you very much, Congressman.
Thank you.